Hello everyone, welcome to the video tutorial of PrestaShop callback request. With this extension, the store owner can add a callback widget on his store that allows the customers to request a callback in case they have any queries regarding the products or service. So let's see how this extension works, and for that I am taking you to the admin's back office. Let's start with module configuration first. From here, admin can enable or disable the callback request icon at the front end. If admin has enabled this field, then an email is sent to super admin whenever the customer requests a callback. Admin can also choose to receive the callback request emails on the desired email ID. From these fields, admin can set the border radius and width of the callback request form. For example, admin has set 14 as the border radius and 2 as the border width. From here, admin can select the display position of the callback request icon. Admin can select top left, top right, bottom left or bottom right as the position of callback widget on the store. From these fields, admin can set the border color, background color and text color of the callback request form. From here, admin can upload the customized callback icon. Now, after configuring the module settings, click here to save. Now let's have a look at the front end. When a customer visits the store, he can view a callback request icon. On clicking this icon, a callback request form appears on the screen. In the form, a customer has to mention his name, phone number and select the preferred date and time of call. After entering these details, click here to send the callback request. After the installation of the module, a new tab call request list is added to the PrestaShop back office. From this tab, admin can view a list of all the callback requests submitted by the customers. Admin can also choose to delete the callback request from here.